What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Oh, be careful, it might get you. It might get you. It might get you. Watch out. Oh, watch out, Max. Watch out. Watch out.
Are you taking video of it?
Yep. What's it doing, Max? Get the other one. What's that? What do you reckon?
This one's got dingy dingies.
Oh, no, don't go too close. Back off a little bit. Back off a little bit, love. What do you reckon? Alright. Now these two things trying to do about you. What do you reckon?
This one, they don't look like cats. Hello. Thanks, Max. What did you make?
Is your mother playing cruel tricks on you? I think so.
No, she's not. She's just getting used to it. Because they're going to be around the house, aren't they?
Yeah, well, you can find them in his own time. Do you want to move the sheep towards him a little bit more? See what he does.
No, is it enough, actually? Come and meet Model Molly. Molly.
Bah! Bah! What you going to do, Max? What you going to do? Hey?
No, I think I've sussed it out.
No, he's not. No, he's not done yet. It's all right, alright? What you going to do? Kill the sheep. Kill the sheep. Kill the sheep. Boo!
Oh, don't scare them. That's mean you do that. Don't you break them now, matey.
See?
Not gonna do
It's an inanimate object. See? See? It's just metal and beads. Ah, all that fuss over nothing. I'll just pretend to be nonchalant and lick my paw. His tail's still all fluffed up though.
You break them, wouldn't you, mate? Sheep.
Pick the sheep up, Lib. Move it by the goats. Put them side by side. So that they're like a mob.
Pick it up to shake it to kill it.
What's the matter, Max? Hey? Guys are dead. Look at them. Bring the other one in closer, Lib.
You alright, Mix? You alright, Brady Mix? I think you're worried about the sheep. Yeah? Maybe this one. That one's bigger. Put it on the carpet. Put it over there and then break it.
I'm a bit worried actually. Are you a bit worried, Maximus?
Alright, Mix.